Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Aliwa and I'll be taking you through computer literacy skills. So thank you for liking the previous videos. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. So today we are going to look at introduction to Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is basically a spreadsheet program that enables us to organize, to format, to calculate our work using a grid of figures, a grid of columns and rows. Yeah, so we are going to start by learning how to create an Excel file. So we shall first create a folder, go to new, then you come to folder, then you write your folder name. Let's call this O. So you right click, then you come to new, then you come to Excel worksheet, then you type the file name. So let's call this file working. Yeah, so that's one of the ways of opening an Excel file. So the second way is pressing a combination of Windows R on your keyboard. So when you press a combination of Windows R, you have to type a keyword for Microsoft Excel, which is Excel. So you press OK. So this automatically will bring you a blank workbook. So you come and click on that. And that's the second way of creating a Microsoft Excel file. So we have to save this file since we didn't create it inside a folder. So for that, you come to File, then you come to Save As, then you come to Desktop because you have that folder on the desktop. You look for the folder, you had named it Hope, you open it, then we change the file name of the file. Let's name this assignment. Then you can save. So this is the second way of creating a file. So the third way is coming to this Windows icon on the taskbar. To click on it, then you'll find Excel here, and you click on blank workbook. Yeah, but since we did also create this file inside a folder, we shall still come to File, then you come to Save As, then you come to the desktop. You come to desktop, then you come and look for our folder, which was Hope. Then you open it, then you can change the file name of the file. Let's name this exercise. Exercise. Yeah, so that's the third way of creating Microsoft Excel file. So those are basically the three ways, and I hope you have learned how to save the file. So we are now coming to look at what exactly is in this file. So in this file, we have a grid of rows and columns. So each box here in this grid is called a cell, and each cell here has a name, of which those names are made up of a letter and a number. So these letters here are the column names. Then the numbers are the row names. So a combination of the row number and the column later gives us the cell name, which is called the cell reference. So the cell reference basically is the name of a particular cell. So when you click on a cell, it becomes active. And when you click on it, it shows the cell reference on the name box, which is here. So we also have a name box. So the name box basically shows the cell reference of the active cell. So an active cell is the cell which you have clicked on. So if you click on this, this will now be cell F5. So that is a cell reference of that cell, basically the name of that cell. So the columns are a series of cells from top to bottom, while the rows are a series of cells horizontally from the left to the right. So this page here is called a sheet. So basically a sheet is a page in Microsoft Excel. So a workbook is a collection of sheets. So we can increase the number of sheets by clicking on this plus sign. Yeah, so there we shall have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, which is just like page 1, page 2, page 3 in Microsoft Word. Yeah, so I hope we have now learned how to save, what this is called, a name box. Then these are rows, the horizontal ones are rows, the vertical ones are columns. Then we have the cell, which is the cell which has a name, which is called the cell reference that is displayed on the name box. So that is basically what Microsoft Excel deals with. Thank you for viewing. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye.